How's it going, everybody? My name is Dalton. Welcome to another episode of Garage 99. Today we are at the ROADKILL event, and we're looking at the car show right now, but we're going to be going to the drag racing eventually after this. I like the stripes, actually. It kind of looks like the old ones.
Yeah, that's this one.
I got a sweet spot for crawlers. I think those are so cool. Huh, didn't know it was a boat show, did you? All the boats. Did you get it?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, okay. Oh. Dang, that's pretty sweet. So I guess they have like a dyno over here. They're doing like a bunch of the chargers, and then there's a throw ride over there. It's free. So I might have to do that. I don't know. But then she has to wait while I'm in line. And that would be hilarious. Unless we're in a charger. I mean, the charger would be fine. Because you could sit in the back while he's ripping you around. No, you don't get the front.
I don't want to get car sick.
You're not making the videos. I am. So you get the back. This is the Ken Diggett area. Oh, hang on. Ken Diggett's truck and everything. All that machining in there, it like takes like pieces of like modern and plastic and puts it all together. Beautiful. And it's a split window.
Here, say hi to Lauren for us. How are you, sir?
Very good. How are you guys?
How are you?
Nice to meet you guys. Love the show.
Well, thank you very much.
By far the best one out there.
Thank you.
Guess this 2 years in a row we got to meet somebody. Last year was Richard Rawlings. This year's Dave Kendig. Just a nice little track hawk. Holy cow, look at all this billet aluminum stuff. Yo, Lance, that you? Just kidding, that's GT. Still nice though. Jeep is pretty sweet. On 40s. This is my favorite color combination. With all the blue in there. There's plenty of room for you over here, and me over there. No room for Riley, she's gotta go in the trunk.
Looks pretty good too.
How about them seats?
No, there's a waterfall right there. Oh. If it's a...
This is for you, Darren. It's just stock, you know, just like the rest of them. No big deal. T-tops.
When we do the celebrity. You guys really stepped up the game.
Yeah, this is ROADKILL's old car, the Charger. 69 Charger, I think, with a Hellcat swap. NOS bottle. With the steering wheel. And then this is like a rat rod of a new one. This looks nice. Brand new. Never been sat in. Here's the Dodge 10. Always got a couple new cars. But yeah, this is 100% the Charger wide body. I don't even think this has been debuted yet, but the Demon. Wow, look at that paint job. The whole thing's carbon fiber. That's really cool.
6 seconds.
All right, so this is them drag racing on Woodward. They actually shut down Woodward for like a mile and a half in Pontiac right out front of M1 Concourse. So.
Roll the power back in. You're going to whip the tires a little bit, but Clark does go successfully across the car. Where a family of 3 could comfortably live underneath it. That is a humongous looking. Get going. Andy Kohler out of Blackwood, New Jersey, driving the Series 62 Cadillac. And man, that thing is wow. Just the most brutal looking rubber saw all day.
This the wheels. That's insane.
Per hour charger into the valley of the heavy engine. It gets it away from being up so high, you know, and of course keep in mind the 671 knows can happen on a car. And the intercooler and stuff. It's an amazing thing that Detroit
talk about, you know, the supercharged, the interview. Great transmission. Finally making that shift after the driver sounded like it lifted. But out there. Sideways a 3/4 racetrack down there. He was on and off the throttle like one. If you tune your ear, once it gets some momentum, they start to ramp the boost back in and get the Combo Pros on it. Makes a nice clean run, and it sits, in my mind, it's. And away we go off the starting line, the Mustang. Going down the course.
Right, we do, and you guys are competing in the Celebrity Showdown as well. So we're going to have 16 celebrities from the
Wagon.
It's a C5 Corvette, the coupe, C06 more than likely.
The stop is straightaway, I should say, from Burlington, Ontario here. So you stop for driving that pretty unique car. Think of that commercial all the way back in the day. As the Pontiac does, we have the Hellcat-powered lifted Jeep taking on the V8-powered, definitely, Jeep Cherokee. We don't know what the V8 derivative is, but we know it's one.
This is awesome.
No, it isn't.
Oh,
It's a turbocharged headliner.
You have to hear that double center. The 258 AMC engine, but with a turbo. Well, no, they make as much horsepower.
Business against the Pontiac here as the Camaro ROADKILL straight first speed shift. These are the Hemi in it, didn't you? Cool one for Doc Fox. Jet car. Pretty cool, but out of Illinois launches on the to outer. From there on out.
All right, so we're waiting an intermission right now. We're gonna go watch the freestyle motocross. nipple up. This is a wild jack. Out in the wild. Look at him flexing super hard. Oh, he sees me. Alright. Alright, so we're about to watch Matt Hagan in a funny car and Leah Prickett in her top fuel do burnouts on the track. So, headphone users, you've been warned.
And here we go, folks. Matt Hagan, the Charger wide body, burnout on Woodward. As the smell of nitromethane wafts into the grandstands.
Well, that was insane, to say the least. So this is going to be a celebrity shootout. So Goldberg versus Prickett first.
The used on these are not the Nittos.
Lee is in. Goldberg's ready. Big hole shot lead there for Bill Goldberg, but Lee has already pulled ahead of him by 60 feet into the run. Now she's a car length out on him. Bill, you're not going to miss your flight as Goldberg is retired in the first round of eliminations here.
Got him. Alright guys, we're ending it here back at home. It was a long day. Got tons of drag racing, burnouts, dyno pulls, shenanigans, car show. I mean, you name it, they had it there. So I had a good time. It was a long ass day. I got a lot of footage. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what your favorite car was, whether at the car show or drag strip, whatever. What was your favorite race? I'd like to hear it. Just give me any kind of feedback you want in the bottom. Peace out. Keep turning those gears. We'll see you next time.